Excitement as we all gather here for annual result declaration. On behalf of Shri Sunil Chauhan, Principal Kendriya Vidyalaya Hamirpur, and entire teaching fraternity, we welcome all the parents in this temple of learning. Through magic, your grades, which will be declared today, they do not define you, they do not determine your future, but your resilience, never to die attitude, never to give up attitude, it does count. And result declaration is one of the crucial day in the life of any student, as it helps us to identify our strength, the strength and weakness of any student in academic arena, which further paves the way for introspection, for retrospection, so that today we are going to honor the stars of the day, whose hard work, perseverance has set a benchmark for all of us.
नाव जो इस आर थी उस पार हो गई, नाव जो इस आर थी उस पार हो गई, बाजुओं की ताकत भी तलवार हो गई, बाजुओं की ताकत भी तलवार हो गई। यूं ही नहीं जीता कछुआ खरगोश से कहानी में। सुनी है सबने कहानी? कौन जीता था? वेरी गुड। यूं ही नहीं जीता कछुआ खरगोश से कहानी में, चाल धीमी थी मगर लगातार हो गई, और वो लगातार चाल कछुए को जीत दिला गई। राइट? आज हम देखेंगे कि किसकी नाव इस आर से पार हो गई और किसकी धीमी चाल उसको जीत दिला गई। प्रिंसिपल सर, रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स, parents and dear students, welcome to Vidyalaya's annual result. Today I feel very privileged and honored to stand here in front of you all to acknowledge the achievements of our brilliant students who have made both the school and the parents proud. Yet we need to remember that academics are always at the core of this. And the successful examination results open so many doors for the future. आप सब रेडी हैं इस साल के रिजल्ट के लिए, लेकिन रिजल्ट इतने आसानी से नहीं। Before I start or announce the result, I want to share a short story with all of you. Are you ready to hear the story? A short story, beta. There was a little boy, just of 6 years, wandering in the market and observed a balloon seller. आपने भी देखा होगा मार्केट में balloon seller. The 6-year boy asked the balloon seller, "Will this red balloon blow up in the air?" The balloon seller said, "Yes, of course." छोटे बच्चों के क्वेश्चन खत्म नहीं होते। Then he asked, "Will this blue colored balloon also go up in the air?" Seller said, "Of course, 100% it will also go up in the air." The child did not get satisfied there only. He again asked, "Will this black color balloon also go up in the air?" Now the patience of seller was decreasing. He said, "My dear child, it's not the color of balloon that go up in the air. And it's not the balloon that go up in the air. It's what is there inside the balloon make it to blow up in the air." Same with all of us. Ninth class, we were having 82 students in total. 82 students appeared in the exam and 68 students cleared their exam with 82.93% of passing percentage. 74 students total and 73 students appeared in the examination, passed 61 with 83.56 pass percentage of 11th class.